Yeah, we've decided to just walk the streets of Cordoba on our last day here. It's just so beautiful. There's no plan. Well, we might see a palace or something, but we're just bumping into things as we go. Hey, let's walk down this little street here. Go. It's just so lovely. Look at the balcony above. People live up there. I could live here. And we've arrived at the event of the day. How could we go through a day in Cordoba without visiting a palazzo, a palace?
That was a mile walk.
We walked a mile?
Yeah.
Are you kidding? That went really fast. But we walk about 6 to 9 miles per day, so that's no big deal. But here we are at the Palazzo de Viana. We're going to try to show you a little detail here, but we're so impressed with the stone mosaics in the floors. Look, point to the mosaics. There's stones that are vertical. They're not laying flat. They're vertical, and they make incredible three-dimensional patterns in the floors. we've got a major announcement to make. Rodilla and I were just talking, and we have awarded Palacio de Viana the #1 Palace Gardens in all of España, in Spain. It's the winner. Well, we're finishing Cordoba, Spain. This is our 4th or 5th day. We've lost count. We're trying to go slow in all of these cities so we can enjoy them. But, you know, Cordoba, it's different from Seville. Now, Seville had some beautiful walking streets like this, but these are just in the neighborhoods. But we walked many, many, many miles of these streets, so they're just so gorgeous. Cordoba is a walking city. You want to see the streets everywhere. This is the lady's house, and she has let us come in to admire her garden. Very beautiful. This is not a tour. This is just her house. She's so nice. Let us come in and look around. Here's her kitchen over here. And we saw how she waters her plants. We hope she'll do it for us one more time. Or maybe she'll let me water the plants. But the plants are way up there. And there's no water hoses or anything, so it has to be done in the old-fashioned way. To water the plants, this is how you do it. You get the water over here. And you go to the top. And if you're good, you can pour the water. And that's how you water plants in Spain, in Cordoba. What a nice lady to let us do that. From America.
America. But you made this system in America.
We could.
No problem.
How nice. Thank you for letting us come in.
Yeah.
This is a real treat. How beautiful.
Thank you.
I wish I could live here.
Every day, one flower. Only one day
One
living.
flower a day.
The flower living only one day.
Okay.
Other day, other flower. Tomorrow open this.
Yes.
Every day, only one. Only one day.
This house actually won an award, well, a couple or 3 awards out of 4,000 competition. This garden won 8th place in the competition, and in 2019 it won 7th place. Now that doesn't sound like much, but there were 4,000 competitors in Cordoba for this award, so this is very special. But the lady's so nice. It's called Hippomea. She gave us the seeds so we can start our own flowers in California, and so we'll have a little bit of Cordoba
Flower.
in California from the seed. Well, I have to admit that Rodilla talked me into this one. She's been talking about
Gyros.
getting the gyros, but here they call it the kebab. The best kebab. I guess this is the best kebab in
Cordoba.
Cordoba. That's right. And anyway, it's what is it? Chicken?
No, it's a beef.
Beef. It's beef on a pita bread. Try it again. You like it?
Yeah, of course.
Yum. And
Patatas.
we get the patata. And what's this white stuff?
Yogurt.
They put yogurt on the patata. Anyway, and then you get the 0 sugar Pepsi Max. That's included in the price.
Right.
And what's the price? It was very cheap, right?
$5.
You get all of this for $5. Did I tell you? The prices here are half or less of what it is in California in the U.S. And the food is good quality. We're very happy. We just made another discovery as we're just wandering aimlessly around. We're not looking at a map or anything. We're just walking through neighborhoods. But look, we found this. And this sounds really interesting. It's an equestrian show with their advertising. And I think if we go in here, we can get some tickets. I think the equestrian show is tonight. And here's the stables. There's stables for 20, 30 horses. So it must be quite a show. Yeah, we just bumped into another major discovery here. And we're going to buy some tickets. Oh, I see the man right there. We'll get us some tickets for tonight's equestrian show. Wow. Oh, we're excited. Oh, it's a big line. We already have our tickets, so we just get in the line. Here we go to the horse show.